Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and I also do some Corel Draw tips and tricks. This is about the expo coming up in February of 2026. Today's October 15th, 2025. So in just about 4 months, we'll be here. The APA stands for Award and Personalization Association, but they put on an expo every year, and they've asked me to give new members a promo code. They're trying to get new members. So you'll get $50 off if you use Green 50. And I'm going to show you how to get there. But if you're a part of the personalization award world, I mean, this is you've valued membership. Now, the membership's $279. And when I first started going 20 years ago, I thought that's awful high. But you get in the show for free. Almost every class is free, and I'm going to go over the classes. It's so easy to join, just 4 easy steps. Uh, create a profile, tell them about their business, apply the promo code. If you need help, and I've had to call them before, there's their phone number. And they put out I think it's a bi-monthly magazine. They put out an email every day of the week that tells you what's going on. And I have a class, and we're going to talk about that class, but I'm going to talk about all the classes. So we're going to go to there's the email they just sent me today that put it live. Here's the classes. They start on Tuesday morning early. So I normally fly in on Friday or fly in on Monday. 7:30 in the morning. Getting started with AI, transforming awards and personalization. And I know very little about AI. A personal friend of mine, Randy Allen from Engraving Concept. Randy is probably one of the most knowledgeable software and laser person at the show. He's going to talk about light burn versus Corel Draw. He's been a speaker of the year before, so he's really talented at speaking. Maximize power UV printing and laser engraving. This is kind of something new that people are coloring their laser. Harness UV galvo lasers for their industry. AI meets Adobe Illustrator. Custom awards and fabrication. And you can go and read all this about every class. Crack the UV code. Get your ducks in a row with Pamela Dean. She's a firecracker of information. She runs a business that I can't even remember. I sat with her one year on a panel, and I felt so, I don't even know what I felt, because I don't have any employees, and she has like 100. So she knows what she's talking about, and she does everything. Color matching, from one color engraving to full color printing with Clay Barber from Corel Trainer. Real knowledgeable person. Ultra thin veneer stone. I met Mike about a year and a half ago, and I finally met him at the show last February. He started a company that makes veneer stone that you could cut and engrave on. And if you want to go to my video and type in Stone Light Design, you'll see some of those videos. From green to great, training new employees, sand carving with Liz Haas. She was another speaker of the year one year, I think just last year. Well, year before, but she won the award last year. Very knowledgeable, creative person. Roundtable discussion. Then here's my class, Tuesday at 4:30. And I asked for my class to be the last class of the day. I asked for that so I won't be in any hurry to finish, to get out of the room for the next person. But then I'm going to try to quit at 6 and say maybe take a 15, 20, 30-minute break and meet back there for like a one-on-one session with anybody that wants to come back. And, I'm talking, they asked me to up it this year with tools, technique, macros, and work smarter, beyond beginner level. So this is the next level. But if you're just a beginner, take the class. It's free. And we're going to stay late, and we're going to talk about some things. hands-on. Now this is a paid class because it's a hands-on with Darren Jones, and he was Speaker of the Year a couple of years ago. And he's an instructor, and you're going to learn how to sand carve if you're going to get into that. UV laser and embroidery engraving with Steve West. Steve's a firecracker. I mean, one of the nicest guys I've ever met, and highly talented. Laser focus points, profits, elevate your acrylic design with Houston Acrylic. They've been selling acrylic all that long, but they've taken over the market. I met them in another place in Houston where I taught, and they'll have some samples to show you. You know, some of these classes I'll really have to take and just find out what's going on, but I'm not going to talk about all of them. Here's another hands-on with Razis. It's another sandblasting company, sand carving company. I do sandblasting, they do sand carving. 5 jobs I messed up on how to fix them, and that might be very important. Mastering light burn. I met Robert a couple years ago, and I met him at the show, and he is way out there with his knowledge on light burn. So if you're starting to use light burn, or you use light burn, panel discussion, smarter, faster strategies, general education, the learning lounge. They set it up inside the showroom floor, and they have like little 30-minute sessions, and I've done a couple. Then if you want to book a hotel, they've got it set up this year. It's at the Horseshoe, but it doesn't matter if you stay at the Horseshoe or the Paris. I think the Horseshoe is equally as nice, and you're right there. It doesn't matter. You can stay at the Paris and be just as close to the showroom so weekdays, $69 for the Paris. It's $89. Weekends I don't ever stay the weekends. I come in on Monday and leave on Friday. I might leave Saturday this year because I might want to go to the member breakfast that's free. And one of the nights they have it's normally like on maybe a Wednesday night, they have a gathering and a free drinks and appetizers, kind of like an open house, and get to meet people. Go to the site and we'll look at the videos. I mean, they got some nice videos. There's Mike Dean from Epilogue Engraving in his booth. And, these videos are kind of cute and humorous, and they ask people why they keep coming back. But if you'll go here and you'll see all the vendors coming, and I can't remember how many there are, but there's a lot. All the laser people are there, PDS equipment's there. Corel Trainer Sage is a software company to help you find and locate promotional items. Thunder Laser, Ribbon, Trotec Laser. True Flat is going to be the first year, I think, at the show. I met them in a show in Dallas here recently, and they sent me some samples, and they've got a product, and their word is true. It's flat. It doesn't warp, and they've got some unique products. The Stone Guy will be there. Epilogue Laser. Just go through this list. Marco Awards, been there every year. LogoJet, Lightburn software. And JDS, I can't say enough about JDS. If JDS doesn't carry it, it's not out there. I mean, if you do sublimation or engraving, they do a great job of finding new products. There's Houston Acrylic, QS2 Awards, really firecracker of a guy that has some plywood and other things. There's Epilogue. Some of these things I'm going to have to go. There's Corel Trainer. So just go through that list and think about going. And if you will go, well, let me go to my channel. If you will go to my channel, there's how to register right there. If you're on Doug Green channel, there's a way to become a member. That's how easy it is to locate. And a little bit about my channel. If you want to look at some other APA videos like I did earlier, or there's a video where somebody interviewed me for the show or at the show about what I do. There's the first one. This is part 2 of this. This is old. I probably need to take them down, but there's still a lot of information that I've done through the years. So think about going to the show, especially if you're a new member. I mean, you get $50 off. The show is free. To the vendor room. 95% of the classes are free. Breakfast is free one morning on Friday. Happy hour is free. I can't say enough about them. I've only missed 1 year, and everybody missed that year because of COVID. So I'll leave a couple of links at the bottom of this video about the show. So come to my class and stay late. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.